Hey, today we're going to talk about the rigid light bar and upfitter system install and review Juggernaut performance. Now, some of this is just you'll see a bunch of slides and a bunch of pictures, so it's sort of hard, but it's just going to give you some idea on how to install the light bar. And then as you go in and dig and look at things very carefully and put it together and get comfortable with the wiring system of the Ford Bronco, you'll be able to do it quite easily. It's quite easily, they make this really easy, and I'm sure you'll be able to overcome it if you would do it yourself. But if not, don't hesitate to go to the dealer and have them do this. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, A Automotive Reviews. Now, Juggernaut for Performance has been posting some installs and review content over their Facebook page. Now, the roof accessory mounts they're saying is fantastic and simply remove. The plastic cover is very easy, and you're left with two studs, as you can see here. You can also see the gentleman holding the wire too, as well. Now, for wiring, Ford did a great job in setting this vehicle up for maximum ease of install. Now, there are pre-run accessory harnesses up to the right of the roof area, a pillar in the front and a rear bumper. We tapped the roof wiring for the light bar install, and you can see in the pictures that there are small channels in the weather stripping. Let's check some of this out. As you can see, this is the right. After you take the sun visor loose, this is what you get. And we're going to, as you can see, this is the right panel being taken apart, and we're gonna make this smaller, very small, and then we're gonna jump to this here and we're gonna make it bigger so you guys can see it. And as you can see, he's holding a grounding as you can see, the ground wire attached to the frame here, and it's pulling this out just so you can see what's underneath. And this, I believe, to be the left panel by the driver that's being pulled down, and I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments what exactly this is exactly. As you can see, we'll make this back smaller and we'll go to the next picture, and we can see this is the kick panel down by the right side. You can see the wiring and the harnesses here. And this is pretty intense. You see the speakers here. You see everything is removed and exposed. And especially you see all the wiring and everything coming down here. Exactly. We'll make it smaller and we'll get to the weather stripping. We'll try to go where it says best fit. No. Will it let us go to the other? And let's get to the weather stripping right quick. Now this is when you see the front right panel coming loose here. Actually, this is the rear. It might be the rear. No, it's the front right, just like I thought. It's the front right. Sometimes you think about the Sportback and your brain's thinking a certain way, but then it's like, boom, this is the right front. And you see the panel coming off quite easily. You see the wiring here as well. You can see the sun visor is removed very easily. Let's go back to best fit. Now the visor is held on by one bolt and the harness quick disconnect. Let's make this bigger so you can. Now that folds down and it comes out of the hole. Now at this point you can see the upfitter wire there taped to the main harness. This is what you see, the upfitter wire. Now simple connect power to this wire using the provided heat shrink and connector. Now Ford heat shrink is extremely nice. Just make sure you heat it up to the point of glue coming out both ends. And decided to ground with an eyelet and additional nut on the weather strip stud, and it worked great, as you can see. Now moving down to the right kick panel, which will go back down again. We'll go back to the kick panel. We will make the spec bigger. Now this is a kick panel. Definitely removed at this point. You can connect the roof lead to the main body lead, and you can find both here with two choices to jump over to the main fuse box area. Connect the roof harness wire to the white main wire, as you can see here. The roof harness wire, which is this one, connected to the white main wire. Now don't tell me which one is the white one. These all look white over here. But now you can find both here with two choices to jump over to the main fuse box area. Connected the roof harness wire to the white main wire. Now from here, you can jump to the area behind the BJB. Now here, you'll see the other end of the two wires in the kick panel, as well as the 6 color leads. Now going to the Upfitter switches, you can choose the 2 for a 15 amp fuse, saving the big one for the winch or other heavy draw items. Now another connection and boom, done. Upfitter switches 2 now control the light bar. This is just a picture. Now when you grab this out, you'll have to look, and as you can see, these right here, the wire harnesses, and this right here, definitely the main wire. This is the one that stands out to me and goes right up to the roof. Everything else seems a little something that you shouldn't really be messing with. I don't see them pulling a wire, but I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys, and which is the white wire. Here's another white wire going down here. You guys, this is just an idea. Oh yeah, it's not a super easy task, you know, but after you do it and make it work, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can make this happen. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome and fantastic day.
Hey you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.